Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving a beautiful drawing of Ladybird. Today we shall go step by step to create a stunning Ladybird artwork. Grab your pencil, razor, paper and colored markers or crayons. Start with an oval shape for the body. Add a smaller circle for the head on top of the oval. Draw a line down the center of the body for symmetry. Draw 6 small circles on each side for the ladybird's spot. Connect the head to the body with a curved line. Extend 2 curved lines from the body for the wings. Add lines inside the wings for texture. Draw 6 tiny legs, 3 on each side beneath the body. Use orange or yellow for the head. Add a touch of white to the eyes for a spark. Erase any unnecessary pencil lines. Add shading to give depth to your drawing. Decide on a background, maybe a green leaf or a blue sky. Blend colors smoothly using markers or crayons. Keep the strokes gentle for a polished look. Sketch lightly to not overpower the ladybird. Add shading to give depth to your drawing. Blend colors smoothly using markers or crayons. Thank you so much for watching this video.